Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Speed Queen SF7007WE stacked washer slash dryer laundry center, which is a commercial grade unit designed for power, durability, and space saving convenience. So if you are thinking about upgrading your laundry setup, you can check out the product link in the description box below. So the Speed Queen SF7007WE combines a 3.5 cubic feet washer with 5.9 cubic foot electric dryer in a vertical stacked configuration that makes it ideal for the apartments, condos, or homes with limited laundry space without sacrificing the performance. Now, what sets this unit apart is its commercial grade build quality. Speed Queen is known for durability, and this model feels solid and heavy duty. The washer offers multiple wash cycles, including heavy duty and dedicated options, providing you the flexibility for everything from work clothes to the everyday wear. In the real world performance, the washer delivers a deep, thorough clean even on the heavy solid loads. It handles the large batches efficiently, making it suitable for the families. The dryer stands out with the fast drying times, often completing the loads quicker than many standard models. The heat settings are well balanced, and even delicate fabrics come out properly dried without overheating. Another big plus is its relatively quiet operation as compared to other stacked units. The vertical design saves valuable floor space while still offering the strong capacity. However, there are a few drawbacks as well, like the unit comes at a premium price point, which may not suit for the budget buyers. Also, while the dryer capacity is generous for a stacked system, standalone dryers can sometimes offer slightly more space. So, if you are looking for the long-term durability, strong cleaning performance, and a space-saving design, this unit absolutely delivers. It's built to last and performs at a higher level than many standard laundry centers. So, thanks for watching, and if you want to check this out, the link is in the description.